So after studying what trigonometry is, what trigonometric ratios are, what are the trigonometric ratios of standard angles, and finally the trigonometric identities, let us now learn about the application of trigonometry. The next chapter that we'll be dealing is heights and distances. This is a chapter which tells us how to relate trigonometric ratios with our day-to-day life activities. There are some basic terms that you should know in this. First thing, that is important thing, that are, for example, angle of elevation, angle of depression, line of sight, etc. Once that is clear, after that it is complete application of trigonometric ratios in the given real life scenarios. So let us see what they are. Say for example, say you have a huge tower here and there is an object placed here. This is your ground level and say you are standing here. This line through which you will be seeing the object is known as line of sight. The line through which you will be seeing the object is known as line of sight. This line of sight is making some angle with the horizontal right line, agree? This angle, I am talking about this angle, the line which the line of sight is making with the horizontal. Now since it is at an elevated point, the object is kept at an elevated point, so this angle is known as angle of elevation. The line which the line of sight, the angle which the line of sight makes with the horizontal line is known as angle of elevation, constrained that the object is kept at an elevated surface. Suppose the scenario was a bit different. Okay, let us reverse the scenario. See, I have a horizontal line, again a tower, but in this case I am standing here and the object is kept here, right? This will be my line of sight as it is, but in this case the object is kept at a depreciated level above my horizontal line. So I can say that there is a depreciation in the angle, so this angle is known as angle of depreciation. Right. So what an angle of depreciation is, which the line of sight makes with the horizontal line subject to the constraint that object is kept at a level below than your eye level. So this is angle of depreciation. Well, if you say that angle of depreciation and if you were standing here, this would be your angle of elevation. So you can say that angle of elevation is always equal to angle of depreciation, right? It is all like, it is just a matter of what you say it, but both will always have the same value, right? So once this is clear, now you can see there is a right angle triangle form here. If you join this with the base, this is a right angle triangle, line of sight acting as a hypotenuse, this is the base, this is the perpendicular, and thus now you can apply the trigonometric ratios for this triangle. So concept wise everything is done now. These three are the basic definitions that you require to understand. Rest most of the thing we'll be seeing in how to apply these concepts in questions of heights and distances. So in the next video we'll be seeing few basic examples that will tell you how to approach such questions.